Welcome back, everybody. Today I am making a follow-up video to my strawberry milk drink recipe. I will link that below this video. But today this is a dairy-free version that is just as delicious. Okay, to start I'm going to be using 1.5 cups of oats. This is what's going to give it a milky texture but make it dairy-free. You could also use store-bought oat milk, soy milk, or even almond milk. I'm also going to be using 1 pound of strawberries. I'm going to use around 6 to 7 cups of water. I'm also using 1/2 cup of sugar. You can adjust that to your preference or use the sweetener of your choice. And I'm also going to be using 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Okay, so what I'm going to do is add my first 4 cups of cold water into my blender along with my oats. I'm using quick oats because that's what I have, but if you have old-fashioned rolled oats, those are fine as well. Now, all I'm going to blend this for is 30 to 45 seconds. You don't want to overwork the water and the oats because then you'll end up with a slimy texture. It kind of gets really gritty and slimy. So 30 seconds on high will do. So now I'm going to strain this with a fine wire mesh strainer and a cloth inside. For those of you that asked in my other video what type of cloth I'm using or where I purchased it from H Mart, which is a Korean grocery store, but if I find a link, I will put it in the description below for you. So anything left in the strainer, I'm actually going to use to make a bowl of oatmeal with a little maple syrup and a sprinkle of ground cinnamon. It's quite nice. So here in my blender, I'm adding my strawberries. I'm also going to add another 3 cups of cold water, my vanilla extract, and my sugar. And like I stated earlier, the sugar, if you want things sweeter, add more. And if you don't want any at all, then don't add any. It also depends how sweet your strawberries are. I also want to mention that you could use frozen strawberries if you cannot find fresh. So now I'm just going to blend this until everything is pureed. You can also strain your strawberry puree, but I'm just going to leave as is. So now all I'm going to do is take my pitcher and I'm going to combine my oat milk and strawberry puree with lots of ice, and then I'm going to serve it. And this is a very delicious dairy-free version of a strawberry milk drink. Now that I have all of my ice in, I'm going to add sliced fresh strawberries that I reserved earlier, and that is it. And you don't have to add ice to this, you can just add it as you serve it, but I like to serve it right away when it's cold. So I hope you give this recipe a try. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching.